Have you ever wondered why Netflix always seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? It feels like magic, but it is actually machine learning at work. Today, we are pulling back the curtain to show you how Netflix uses AI to keep you watching, sometimes for hours without realizing it. Picture this. You just finished a series and instantly Netflix recommends another show that feels tailor-made for you. That is not random. It is powered by one of the most advanced recommendation systems in the world. Netflix has over 260 million subscribers, each with unique tastes, and they all expect personalized suggestions. So, how do they pull this off? Netflix collects massive amount of data, what you watch, when you pause, and how often you will bingo, even the type of device you are on. This data trains their machine learning model to spot patterns. Using algorithms like collaborative filtering and deep learning, Netflix predicts what you will enjoy next. That is why your recommendation looks different from mine. They are customized just for you. Here is an example. Let's say you love crime drama like Money Heist. Netflix model doesn't just suggest another crime show. It might recommend a thriller with the same pacing, a documentary with similar tension, or even a completely new genre that bingo watchers like you also enjoy. It is about keeping you hooked, and it works. Studies show that 80% of what people watch on Netflix comes from recommendation. This is not just entertainment, it is a masterclass in applied machine learning. By blending psychology, data, and AI, Netflix has turned its recommendation system into its biggest growth engine. And it is a perfect example of how AI is shaping our everyday choices, even the show we watch late at night. If you found this breakdown fascinating, hit the like button, subscribe to Hiscript Academy, and turn the bell on so you don't miss our next deep dive into real world of AI. And tell me in the comments, what is the widest recommendation Netflix has ever given you?